Yeah, hi, Pat in Ireland. This is Mark in UK, FMAV. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. Okay. So basically, I've taken it apart. It was already been taken apart, by the way. Someone's already taken that apart, and all the wires were all loose and not connected. So I don't know whether you knew that, but anyway. So basically, I've taken it apart. I've given it a check over. Checked the micro switch for you, and I've put a new laser in for you. So the unit's been running for a while now, and it's fine. Just want to point something out. Okay, it says a 1254 on the unit, but the unit is not a 1254. It's a 1252. So this top part's new, but you got the old board on it. So I don't know what's gone on there. That's not correct. So anyway, I've got it working, and it's all good. So, you know, as long as you've had this working in your jukebox before, it'll be working again. But if you've bought this thinking it's a 1254, it's not. So you know, you could have been misled, or someone's just broke the case before and put a new one in there. I don't know, but it is all working for you, Pat. So you can hear it there. You got a 6-month warranty on this, on the laser only, and the repair. All I ever ask for is the postage back if anything happens. So thank you very much, Pat. Have a great day, and don't get too wet out there.